My name is Beau Hutchinson, and I've lived here in Louisville for 23 years. My wife is Alex.
We celebrated 13 years last month, and we have 3 kids, and 2 boys and the girls in the middle.
About a year ago, we were looking for a new home, and as we were looking at homes that were already existing, we just didn't find what we were looking for, and so we began to think about building a home, and we looked at a few builders, and we found Arbor Homes, and specifically we noticed the layout and the plans for the Norway, and we found out that there was a model Norway in town, so we figured that we had nothing to lose.
Literally fit everything that we wanted, because I had it on the sunroom that I really wanted. My husband uses the loft for an office. The kids use the front room as a game room, which is perfect for them to have that extra space. Our last house we bought, we didn't have it built, and certainly doing it this way was a lot more involved, and it obviously took a lot longer because it's not built yet, so of course it's going to take longer. But you can pick everything that you want in it, like a lot of things that could make it ours.
As we saw more and more the house being built, it just became more exciting, and then eventually whenever it really looked like a house, the excitement was probably at its greatest. And so it was just exciting coming out here and seeing the progress and knowing that one day we'd be living in that house. Our experience has been fantastic. Has it been perfect? No, but it's been absolutely wonderful, and I would do it all over again. I mean, I feel like we got a great home for a great price.
I actually have already friends that I've recommended to, and it is a process.
It's a journey, and I guess that's the best word I can use for it. I think a lot of people have this mindset that, you know, it's only going to take 5 or 6 months and it's going to go smoothly, and it may go smoothly for them, but it's a journey. I think that's the biggest piece of advice I'd give them, and enjoy it. Yes, it can be stressful, but enjoy it.
So life is stressful, and in some seasons more, in some seasons less, and home should be a place that you go to let that stress off and to be with your family. And I want to establish a place of peace, particularly like for my husband and my kids, in a place where they feel like they can rest from having to deal with all of those things.
I think that's what really makes it a home, and that it's ours, it's our safe space. It's a great place to build memories. The thought of establishing new memories in our Norway here at the preserve at Cedar Creek, it's a joy. And we've got all these firsts to experience, like first birthdays, and we'll have our first Christmas, and my wife and I just had our first anniversary here at this house. And so we're slowly building up all the great memories here at the preserve at Cedar Creek in our Norway.